Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular kitchen appliances, the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven and the Instant Pot Vortex. We'll evaluate them in different categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. Starting with the price, the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven is priced at $219, while the Instant Pot Vortex is more budget-friendly at $59. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the Instant Pot Vortex might be the way to go. When it comes to functionality, both appliances offer impressive features. The Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven boasts 8-in-1 versatility, allowing you to air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, and more. On the other hand, the Instant Pot Vortex offers 4-in-1 functionality for air frying, broiling, roasting, and reheating. Depending on your cooking needs, both options provide great versatility. In terms of cooking performance, the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven utilizes digital crisp control technology, ensuring precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for optimum results. It also cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven. On the other hand, the Instant Pot Vortex features even crisp technology, which drives top-down airflow for a perfect golden finish. Both appliances deliver delicious and crispy results, but the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven holds an edge in terms of faster cooking. When it comes to capacity, the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven offers a 45% larger usable pan cooking area compared to the flat surface of the Instant Pot Vortex's pan. It can fit a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts. Additionally, the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven takes up 50% less space when flipped up and stored against your kitchen backsplash. If you have limited counter space, this might be a crucial factor to consider. Cleaning up after cooking is always a priority. The Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven includes a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. Similarly, the Instant Pot Vortex features a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray for easy cleanup. Both appliances make cleaning hassle-free, saving you time and effort. There you have it. We've compared the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven and the Instant Pot Vortex in various categories. Both appliances have their unique features and advantages. Consider your budget, cooking needs, and available space to make the right choice. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.